Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 2. We are learning Unit 8. Its title is An Accident at Home. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modified for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today we are going to complete the reading and comprehension of this unit. And before this, in English for grade 1, I have already taught you how to recognize and categorize parts of body, shapes, colors. Remember? I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And we are going to extend the practice to recognize and classify into different categories of some naming words from pictures and immediate surroundings. For example, animals, fruits, vegetables, parts of body, objects in the classroom and at home. So for this SLO today, our focus will be object at home. The next SLO is brainstorm to gather ideas for various activities or tasks or take dictation of familiar words in class. So these are 1, 2 and 3 SLOs which we are going to cover today. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran Surah Al-Baqarah verse 151. We have sent among you a messenger from yourselves, reciting to you our verses and purifying you and teaching you the book and wisdom and teaching you that which you did not know. Yes, my dear students, what this beautiful verse tell us? Better we should learn, because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was sent to teach us. It means we need to learn, and we need to learn every day. Okay, there were few things we learned yesterday, so there are few things we are going to learn today again. Okay, so first you tell me, yesterday we were reading this story, so do you remember who was watching television and who asked Ahmad to pick up the things? So pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you remember. And now let's move on to read the rest of the part of the story. So from this point where we stopped, here we stopped, and from this point I'm going to read. So you have to listen carefully, because after me you have to read it. So grandfather, what happened before this? Grandfather came in and he asked, can I join you? Yes, please, I said. I like it when grandfather watches television with us. As he walked across the room, he tripped over Ahmad's shoes. And what does trip mean? To slip or fall. So he fall from Ahmad's shoes and went crashing to the floor. And what does crash mean? Run into something or accident. And crash mean better when two things like hit each other with a very great force. That is known as crash. So the grandfather crashed to the floor. Ahmad and I ran to help him, but he could not stand up. So we called our father. Poor grandfather had twisted, and what does twist mean? To turn sharply. He twisted his ankle. For the next week, he had to use a stick to help him walk. So take a pause over here. What happened to the grandfather? Pause the video, answer this question to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you have answered correctly. So let's continue reading. Ahmad and I looked after him and we both felt awful. And what does awful mean? Unpleasant, bad. Means we both felt bad. We felt that the accident was our fault. Our father was really upset, and we promised that we would clear up our stuff in future. Now we realize that a dirty floor could hurt someone. Yes, my dear students, so this is all about this unit. First, you have to answer these questions. Did the boys realize their mistake? And do you keep your things organized in your room? Answer these questions to your teacher. Read the text again. Be careful, because after you finish reading, I'm going to take your dictation. So while reading, you have to be careful about spelling of few words as well. So pause the video, complete reading, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? So it's time for comprehension. First, you will answer these questions to your teacher orally, and then you will write the answers in your notebook. Pause the video, complete the comprehension, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with your comprehension? So it's dictation time. Are you ready for that? Okay, teachers, make sure every student be ready with a notebook and a pencil in his or her hand, because I'm going to take dictation. So be ready for that and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you ready? So I'm going to say the words 2 times. Listen carefully, then I will give you time. You will write it and we will switch to next word. Okay, so the first word is twist. Twist. Awful. Awful. Fault. Fault. Upset. Upset. Future. Future. Realize. Realize. That's it. Now drop your pencil and give your notebook to your teacher. Teachers, kindly collect all the notebooks and check the dictation of the students and give them the feedback as per their performance. Yes, my dear students, now it's time for the next activity. And what that activity is, this is a very interesting project given in your book. What we are going to do, your teacher will brainstorm to gather ideas to complete this project. And what the project is all about, what things do you want to put in your bedroom, drawing room, and washroom? Draw those things and label them. So teachers, what we are supposed to do first, you will discuss with the students. It's not what do you have, what do you want? Maybe there are few things they already have in their bedrooms, but there are few which they want to add. So let's discuss with them. Let's make the students to make a list, and after that they will draw these things and will label them. This is how they are going to complete this project. So pause the video, complete this project with students, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. Now it's time for your homework. What you are going to do, you will make sentences of the following words. So this is a word list given to you. You will use these words in your sentences and you will write these sentences in your notebook. And here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. And students, what you are going to do, you will sort the pictures. That's the pictures are given here. You will sort them for furniture and fruits. So what we have learned today, we have achieved our SLOs to recognize and classify into different categories of some objects at home. Okay, this is what we did. And we brainstormed together ideas for various activities and tasks, and we completed our project by following this instruction, and we take dictation of familiar words in class. So are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.